Friends, in this video I am going to explain Python syntax, indentation, variables and comments. In the previous video I have explained how to install Python. Now we will see how to write your first program in Python. Open a terminal window and type Python. If on Windows, open a Python IDLE and type print hello world, and you will see the hello world printed in your screen. Python syntax. As we have learned in the previous page, Python syntax can be executed by writing directly in the command line. Open the command line from the command prompt and write print hello world, or by creating a Python file on the server using the .py file extension and running it in the command line. Open your command line and type Python and your file name then with the .py extension. Python indentation. Indentation refers to the space at the beginning of a code line, where in other programming language the indentation in code is for readability only. The indentation in Python is very important. Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. For example, if we write 5 is greater than 2, so we have to give space and print 5 is greater than 5. So if you type that if 5 is greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2 without space, then it will give error. Python variables. In Python, variables are created when you assign a value to it. For example, x equal to 5, its type will be integer. Y equal to hello world, its type will be string. Python comments. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. Comments are stored with a hash, and Python will render the rest of the line as a comment. As you can see here, this is a comment which starts with the hash and print hello world, which in this part this is a comment. The interpreter will ignore this and only will print the hello world. In the next video we will see Python data types, getting the data type, specifying a variable.